Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to watch UFC 329 for free. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you'll need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So you need to open the description below this video and find the link to this website. So there is a page called how to watch and stream UFC 329. This page contains every single platform that is allowed to stream the UFC 329. So you need to scroll down through this list, find your country and find the platform that you are satisfied with. So basically there is no single free way of how you can watch UFC 329, but if you will find the platform that allows you to subscribe to a free trial subscription, you can watch it for free, and then after you completed the UFC 329, after you watch this entire show, you can cancel the subscription. So basically find your country. For example, you are living in Iceland. So for example, click on UFC Fight Pass or Viaplay. So click on it, it doesn't open, so go back and find another platform here, for example RMC Sport, and basically as you can see here you are going to the website of RMC Sport. You can scroll down and find out about the subscriptions. If you can see here a free trial subscription, then just accept it and go and watch your UFC 329. If you don't see here any, then go back and try another platform. And unfortunately this is the only way of how you can watch it for free. So don't go to these strange websites that are telling you that you can watch it for free legally, etc. This is not true. This is a scam site. Avoid this type of sites. So the main sites and the legal sites are listed right here, and check and explore this list. So basically that is it. That is how you can watch UFC 329 for free. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.